Apple is in trouble. They are no longer allowed to sell the Apple Watch. Apple will be halting the sale of the Apple Watch Series 9 and the Apple Watch Ultra 2 before Christmas. Their retail stores will stop selling the two models on 21st of December and the website will stop selling on the 24th of December. The challenge comes around the blood oxygen sensor on the back of the watch. This sensor fires light into your skin, and then there's light sensors which detects the level of oxygen in your blood, and this can give an insight into your overall health. It turns out that a medical device maker called Masimo owns a patent to the technology behind the blood oxygen sensor, and a judge has ruled that Apple is infringing on their patent. This is obviously bad news for Apple, as watch sales in 2022 hit $52 million. The Apple Watch is a massive player in the watch market as a whole, with Apple selling more watches than the entire Swiss watch industry at over 15.4 million units. It's quite amazing to think that a comparatively small company like Masimo, worth a mere $6 billion, can take on an absolute giant like Apple, worth over 500 times that of Masimo, at $3.05 trillion. And Masimo won. There is now a ban in place. Apple are no longer allowed to sell the Apple Watch Ultra 2 or the Series 9 in America. So what now? It's likely that people are going to run out and buy the Apple Watch Ultra 2 or the Series 9 and flip them on eBay for a massive profit. Meanwhile, Apple is going to be leaning on an old friend of theirs, President Biden, who can veto the ban. And as money and power rules the world, that's probably going to be the most likely outcome. However, if President Biden does side with Masimo and the ban goes through and is upheld, then Apple will just have to do a software update and delete the software that interacts with the sensor. So don't go and buy an Apple Watch for crazy money. What do you guys think of all this? Should the US president be getting involved with something so obviously corporate and seemingly quite petty? I would have thought that Apple would just buy Masimo. That's what they usually do. Let me know your thoughts in the comment down below. If you like this video, thumbs up, all that stuff, subscribe and everything. And I'll see you very soon. Take care.